Hi everyone, this is Keisha Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ng reaction video. Ang David Licauco won Best Actor in a Primetime Drama in 10th Platinum Stallion. If I'm not mistaken, this is something like in Trinity. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Best Prime Drama Series Actor, David Licauco for today's video. I really love that. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang kung walang negativity, walang bashing, walang pinifeed na mga anything about sa fans, mare-recognize and nare-recognize talaga. Alam mo, even gano'ng kagaling ang isang artista, once naman tsahan ng kanyang pangalan, makakalimutan na yan. Hindi na yan maaalala for today's video. Ang maaalala lang sa kanya is yung kamalian niya. Yun lang yun. Eventually makakalimutan but it will take time and may lamat na. Right? So yan yung iniiwasan natin. Yan yung pinuputok ng butchi ko na sana please don't spread hatred, don't spread something like, don't add fuel to that. Like, hindi ka mag-feed ng mga, kung anong mga dapat na hindi naman dapat i-feed sa mga fans. Kasi once na na-feed mo yan and mag-create ng fire and lumaki ang issue, eventually, maririnig yan ng management, maririnig yan ng kung sino-sino, and hindi na sila magiging bankable. Kung hindi magiging bankable or hindi nagdadala ng revenue or mababawasan ng revenue yung dinadala ng isang artista sa management, hindi na sila magiging visible. Lalo ng GMA, napakasik ng GMA. Kung napapansin niyo, ang dami ng lalaga sa GMA, ha? Ang dami ng nalagas. Like, yung mga bago, yung mga actors nila, like, nawawala na lang bigla na walang pasintabi na hindi na nag-renew and hindi na nire-renew and everything. So basically, yan yung iniiwasan natin. Kasi, kung wala kayong, ay nako, kung wala kayong mahanap na chismis and everything, gawa kayo ng positive contents. Balikan nyo kung saan tayo nagsimula and everything. Kung paano tayo kinilig sa Barda. Yun ang importante. Ang importante talaga, nakaka-cancer kasi talaga. Cancerous talaga and infectious talaga yung bad vibes. 'Di ba totoo naman, kahit ako aminado ako, mas ini-entertain natin ang bad vibes. 'Di ba? Mas ini-entertain natin yung negativity. Katulad kahapon, vlog ko puro negativity. Aminado ako doon, pero I have to say, we have to call out kasi. I have a platform eh. 'Di ba? Hindi basta-basta buuin ang 215. Ilang subscribers na ba ako? Hindi hindi 216,000 na nga ako, 364 kahapon, 215 lang ata to if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, or the other day. Anyways, yun lang. Kasi sayang naman yung platform kung isi-spread mo siya sa negativity and fake news, right? So, dito, na-recognize naman yung ating Ginoo. I think this is not the first time na-recognize siya. But happy lang ako. Happy lang ako na alam mo yung, alam mo yung, he is reaping what he saw. 'Di ba? He is reaping what he saw. Tama ba? Oo, tama. Bobo. Bobo yan. Charis. Ay, too cute. Nakita ko nito kahapon. Ito cute nakita ko kahapon dito, oh. Sino kayong mga nominees? Tuting ka, malaking bagay to kahit sabihin mong hindi to parang katulad ng FAMAS. Every awards, every giving body, alam mo yung alam mo yung mga jury, yung mga nagbibigay ng mga awards, mapaliit man yan establishment or organization or malaki, especially this one. Meaning to say, kabataan to eh, and I do believe that kabataan is pag-asa ng bayan. 'Di ba? Kabataan, if I'm not mistaken, kabataan ang nagbigay nito. Platinum Stallion? Oo, ang alam ko eh. Basta pag sa mga school, kabataan yung nagvo-votes niyan, di ba? Ibig sabihin, lalo kabataan ngayon ang tatalino. Ibig sabihin, he is promoting good vibes. He is promoting something like good. Kasi mas matalino talagang kabataan ngayon. Aminin man natin. Matalino talaga sila. They really know how to weigh situations and analyze the situations. 'Di ba? So basically, nakitaan talaga nila si David ng potential na ibigay itong award na to. Malaking bagay ito. Hindi man ito international award or what, malaking bagay talaga ito once na na-recognize ka. At malaking bagay din yung sigaw ng ate ko. Ay, shoutout pala kay Sir Jay Kumanahan sa kanyang video to. Anong galing. Kung hindi nyo pa ito napanood, I will put the something like original video sa link. Okay? Panoorin natin siya. Ay, si Sanya. Ayan na. Ganda ni Sanya, no? I love Sanya din. Go, David. Okay. Gusto ko yung speech niya. Hindi ko pa narinig yung buong speech niya eh. Lakasan natin.
And now I'm here
Now
as the best primetime drama series actor. Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
It was fun because like all throughout my career, like people would criticize my acting. Paano mo romante? Sana hindi mo naging actor. Sana puro pa cute, di ba? Ganyan.
Hindi mo, totoo.
It's cute.
At least, totoo yon.
I am up here because I had a dream, and I didn't let anything or anyone stop me from chasing my dreams. There were a lot of sacrifices, a lot of challenges, a lot of failures along the way.
Totoo.
Pero, nandito tayo ngayon.
Ay, emotional. Look at his eyes.
Yun lang, just have
Look at
people
his
go
eyes.
working hard.
Nanay, ang balahibo ko.
Sa lahat ng mga nandito, if you have a dream, please sacrifice for it. Please,
Yeah.
favor lang.
Favor lang. Totoo. And be consistent. Be consistent. Hindi man ngayon, ibibigay yan sa inyo. Isaiah 60:20. If the time will come, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Totoo yan. Totoo yan, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. I never imagined in my life na makakabili ako ng kotse. Cash, brand new. Last year ko siya nabili. But I never imagined in my life. Kahit nagtatrabaho ko sa Saudi, dito sa Saudi, hindi enough na makabili ka ng sasakyan. Totoo lang, kahit second hand, hindi ko kaya. Kasi ayoko talaga mangungutang. Masakit sa ulo ang utang. Ayoko talaga mangungutang. So basically, gusto ko talaga cash. And I never imagined. So parang alam mo yung trabaho lang trabaho, upload lang upload, mamiliit man ang views or malaki, and everything as long as hindi mo napapabayaan ang trabaho mo and ang channel mo gumagalaw. Nasabi ko sa inyo. Saka kung saan man kayo sitwasyon ngayon, hindi forever ganyan. Basta gumalaw kayo. Marami kasi namamatayan ng loob eh. Like for example, bakit pa ako trabaho ng trabaho parang hindi naman ako umuusad? Dear, akala mo lang hindi ka umuusad. Pero umuusad ka, mabagal man, at least umuusad ka. And once na ginawa mo yan consistency, na mabuti ang ginagawa mo, may sipag at tiyaga, may prayers, matutupad mo kung anong gusto mo. Mark my word.
Anything or anyone stop you from chasing your dreams.
Nasabi ko yan because na-experience ko yan. Promise.
It won't be
Promise.
easy at the start,
Ano sabi yan? Consistent, di ba?
and stay consistent.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. Kung nakita ninyo, example na lang natin yung channel ko, Shadow Ban ako. Kahit alam kong hindi nare-recommend or mababa ang views, patuloy pa din akong upload because consistency is the key. So kung meron man kayong pinagdadaanan man kayong, kung hirap man kayo sa buhay ngayon, kung akala nyo ang bagal, hindi sumasang-ayon sa inyong panahon, please, ituloy ninyo yan as long as mabait kayo sa kapwa ninyo, kind kayo, masipag kayo, may sipa tiyaga, wala kayong ginagawang masama. Ituloy nyo yan at papunta na kayo sa exciting part. Promise. Nangyari sa akin yan, dear. Kung alam nyo lang ang buhay ko dati, seriously, kung alam nyo lang gano'n ako kapayat, kung alam nyo lang na naging houseboy ako, basta, believe me, papunta na kayo sa
It won't
exciting
be
part.
easy at the start, but if you keep on working hard, if you keep on studying, stay consistent, try to learn every day, 1% every day lang, pwede na. You'll get there.
Naman,
Thank you so much again to
Nakakainis naman to.
National National Media Awards for recognizing my cuteness.
no, you're not just cute. You are commendable. You are, nag-iwan ka na ng trademark. Nagpatak ka na. May pinatunayan ka na. Maraming beses na. The versatility of your acting skills.
Miss Annette, Miss Joy Marcelo, Miss John Navarro, 300 sub.
Okay.
And kami ni co-manager Arnold De Garcia, who else? Of course, the whole production team of Pulang Araw, Miss Edwin, kila Miss Shireen, salamat sa pag-aantay sa akin kapag ako late. Sorry, pero
Sorry.
okay naman kahit paano, di ba?
Sorry. Natawa ako dun sa late mo.
yun, and of course, to my director, Dominic Zapata, Derek, I super appreciate you. You know, like for me, si Direk, I think he is the epitome of a good leader. You know why? Because I feel like he
Totoo talaga siya sa sinasabi niya, oh.
treats everybody in a different way. The way I need it, probably the way Alden needs it. So super appreciate you, Direk. Kasi ako yung type na I need validation if I'm good. And in every scene, he would show me na David did a good job. Yeah. Super appreciate you, Direk. Whew. To Miss Suzette Toctolero, wow, thank you so much. So,
Tolero, si Ma'am Suzette.
Sinasabi ko sa kanya na
Ang galing talaga gumawa ni Ma'am Suzette din ng story.
sa role ko, kasi napakahirap eh. Pero, di ba, nagtiwala siya sa akin. Kaya
True.
thank you. And love you.
Love you. Ay, di sana all.
And,
Sana all.
yun lang siguro.
Sana all talaga, be. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Oh yeah. Oo nga pala. Ano, sabihin natin na last but not the least.
Ang ganda naman, may hagod. Barbie. May hagod naman yun.
Inspired me to become a better actor. That's true.
Oh my God.
And, sino ba? Sa lahat ng kasama ko sa Pulang Araw.
Si Sanya.
Susan, Shell.
Kung sa bagay, baka napasalamatan niya din naman.
Of course, and Sanya Lopez.
Sanya
Kinuha
Lopez.
ng mga first scene natin dahil hindi ko, baka hindi ko kayanin. But wala nga eh. Well, you inspired me guys to become better, really. And of course, my acting coaches. At the very beginning, Miss Andrew Legas, thank you so much. Coach Norbs Portales, and yung sa Pulang Araw naman si Ruth, Coach Ruth. What's his
Coach
what's your last
Ruth.
name?
Alvarez.
Ha?
Alvarez.
Sorry. Ruth
Sorry.
Alvarez. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much. Thank you for listening. I'm sorry if I took time. And good night. Thank you.
Okay. I guess it's already done.
Para tayo makakarating na
Gwapo ni David. Gwapo talaga siya, be. Sa true. Diba? Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the David Licauco speech. Ang ganda naman nun na, ang ganda aside sa sabi niyang, last but not the least, actually, ang focus ko talaga nun, naganawa ng reaction video because I just wanna hear his speech about winning this sa award, about this one, about sa award na panalunan niya, and ang ganda ng speech niya. That is the first time na narinig ko siya, and yes, indeed, be consistent. Kung saan man kayo ngayon, hindi forever. Kung nahihirapan man kayo ngayon, hindi forever na mahihirapan din kayo bukas and magpakailanman. Basta be consistent. Yun lang yun. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Asan na yung off?